This is the Magician card. The number on the card is 1. This is the second card of the Major Arcana. When the Fool starts out on his journey, he first encounters the Magician. He is the first person he comes across. This Magician has the potential to create anything from nothing just through his willpower. This Magician is the origin of all 4 suits, also the aces. So this Fool, our Fool, is very in awe of the Magician because inexperienced as our Fool is, he sees that the Magician can create just simply anything out of nothing at all in any of the realms which are represented by our 4 suits, which we will see in the Minor Arcana. But basically, he can manifest anything in any aspect of the human life. This is why the Magician represents willpower. Further, it also represents trickery and deception because the Magician may use trickery and deception to create. However, he does have the potential to create things. Hence, the Magician is about having power and experiencing power, making a strong impact, taking actions, concentrating, and then acting consciously.